Hello and welcome to the Collision TV YouTube channel. Today, we will be exploring the untold story of the men who built India through the lens of one of the country's most successful conglomerates, Tata. Tata has a long history of contributing to India's growth and development, and this video will shed light on the people behind this success.
Tata Group has pioneered multiple industries in India and remains a market leader in most of them.
It was Tatas who introduced a number of firsts. The first 8-hour day, the first leave with pay.
I would prefer to live with the knowledge I have of upholding the values that we have and that we've tried to uphold through these years, rather than say that I've grown at 3 times the rate that we have.
It all started with Jamsetji Tata, who founded the Tata Group in 1868. He was a visionary who believed that India needed to become self-sufficient, and that the country's resources should be harnessed for the benefit of its people. He founded several companies, including Tata Steel, and was a pioneer in developing India's infrastructure. Jamsetji's son, Dhruv Tata, continued his father's legacy and built on his vision. He established the Tata Electric Company, which later became Tata Power, and played a significant role in the development of the Indian aviation industry. He also founded the Indian Institute of Science, which is one of India's most prestigious research institutions. JRD Tata, the son of Dhruv Tata, took the Tata Group to new heights. He was the chairman of the Tata Group for over 50 years and is considered one of India's greatest industrialists. He played a crucial role in the development of the Indian aviation industry and founded Air India, India's national airline. He also established several other companies, including Tata Consultancy Service and Tata Motors. Rajiv Tata, the nephew of JRD Tata, continued the family legacy and made significant contributions to the Tata Group. He was responsible for the creation of Tata Tea, which later became Tata Global Beverages, and led the development of several other companies, including Titan and Tata Chemicals. He also established the Tata Medical Center, a state-of-the-art cancer hospital in Kolkata. Ratan Tata, the current chairman emeritus of the Tata Group, is one of India's most respected business leaders. He played a significant role in expanding the Tata Group's global presence and oversaw several major acquisitions, including Jaguar Land Rover. He also established the Tata Nano, which is considered the world's cheapest car and has been a strong advocate for social causes through the Tata Trusts. In conclusion, the untold story of the men who built India through the Tata Group is a testament to the power of vision and perseverance. From Jamsetji Tata to Ratan Tata, the Tata family has played a significant role in the development of India's economy and society. Their contributions have created jobs, developed infrastructure, and improved the lives of millions of people.